It takes a village to raise a child.
Today, I stand before you
as your child,
to be an upstanding adult,
and a proud soldier of Singapore.
I am who I am.
I've achieved what I have because of you.
all of you.
My family,
My friends,
My peers.
Thank you.
for your unwavering support in my NS journey.
The NSF award may have my name on it.
But in truth,
It belongs to everybody.
Who I've had the privilege
To share my journey with.
I can't thank you enough.
For what you've done for me.
and are still doing for me.
Thank you for your constant support.
Thank you for your support.
The blessings of my life. Thank you.
谢谢爸爸妈妈的支持和鼓励。
To my family, thank you for motivating me through my darkest days in NS and giving me a sense of purpose in what I'm doing.
Thank you for believing in me.
Thank you for always being there for me and for your constant support.
Thank you for all the support. I would not have been able to do it without all of you.
Thank you for showering me with unconditional love and constantly being my pillar of support. I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you for your unwavering support, patience, sacrifice throughout my whole NS journey.
To the Teo family, thank you.
Thank you, my family, my friends, my peers, for the support throughout my NS journey.
Thank you, my wife, family, friends, and colleagues for your unwavering support.
To my family and friends, thank you for your strength and support. Together as one, together we can.
To everyone who has helped me through this journey, my family, my peers, and my commanders, I'm deeply honored to cross paths with you. Without your support, I would have never been able to get this far alone.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for your unwavering support every step of the way.
Thank you for being my pillar of support and always being there for me.
Thank you for all your love and support all these years.
To Mummy and the better Adam, you have both shown me love that no other humans have ever demonstrated. Thanks.
Thank you everyone for your love and support.
To Kwaitu goes to friends and family. Thank you for making this NS journey meaningful and fun. Against all odds, don't mind we.
To Sohag, Mom, Dad, Vishal, Dharav, Lata, Naz, and every other important person in my life, thank you for making me the person I am today.
Thank you to my family and friends for your unwavering support.
Thank you to my family, friends, and everyone at 38 SE.
Hello, Mummy, Papa. Thank you for your unwavering support for the past 2 years during my service. The way that you have brought me up made me the man I am today, and therefore I'm receiving this award. This award goes to you, as it shows the result of the effort that both of you have put in to raise me up. Thank you again. I love you.
Thank you for being my pillars of strength and my towers of support.
Thank you.
To my mom, thank you for being my pillar of strength and a role model. To my grandparents, thank you for showering me with love and care through every milestone. To Juliet, thank you for being my anchor during tough times.
Thank you so much for your unwavering support.
To all my loved ones, thank you for being there throughout my NS journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.